Hello everyone, I'm Ayana, a Vtuber. Today, I'll explain how to adjust the view with the mouse. Let's begin. Let's start. First, let's rotate the viewpoint in the 3D view by using the mouse. While rotating the mouse wheel and moving the mouse in this way, you can rotate the viewpoint around the center of the axis. You can zoom in and out of the viewpoint in this way by rotating the mouse wheel. You can move the viewpoint in this way by holding down the Shift key and moving the mouse wheel. Pressing Shift plus B will allow you to select the range with the mouse, just like this, by moving the mouse. Next, I'll explain how to rotate the viewpoint around the selected range. By default, when you move the mouse wheel in the 3D view to rotate the viewpoint, it rotates around the center of the axis. But you can rotate it around the selected range from Settings. Select Preferences from Edit tab on menu bar. When Preferences is displayed, open the Navigation tab and check Orbit Around selection. You can rotate the screen around the selected object in this way. You can change the viewpoint to the camera viewpoint by clicking the View button, and from Viewpoint, choose Camera. If you choose Front from Viewpoint at the View button, the viewpoint will change to Front. You can change the viewpoint to the right by selecting Right from the viewpoint of the View button. You can also rotate the viewpoint by dragging the manipulator at the top right of the 3D view while moving the mouse wheel. You can also change to each viewpoint by clicking the respective axis, X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis of the manipulator. You can zoom in and out by clicking Zoom in and Zoom out button and moving the mouse up and down. You can move the viewpoint by clicking Move from the View button and moving the mouse. You can switch to the camera viewpoint by clicking the Toggle Camera View button. You can switch between perspective projection and orthographic projection by clicking the perspective orthographic button. Perspective projection is a projection method in which distant objects appear small and close objects appear large. On the other hand, orthographic projection often seems a bit odd at first because objects appear the same size from all distances. This is a lecture on how to adjust the view with the mouse. How is everyone doing? Did you understand today's lecture? If you found today's lecture useful, please subscribe. If you have any requests, please let us know in the comments below. See you again in the next lecture. See you soon. Bye.